want to change your YouTube account password. So if you want to change your YouTube account password, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply search for YouTube and open up your YouTube application. Now, after opening your YouTube, you need to just go with your profile picture, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on your profile, and then you just need simply go with the Google account option right here. Once you click on the Google account, you will have an option of security and sign in. You need to tap on it. And under security and sign in, you will have an option of password. You need to tap on password and change the password from here. So tap on password, enter your lock screen, and then let it verify. And once it's verified, you need to just enter your new password on the first bank, and then again confirm your new password and go with change password, which will be on the bottom. And your YouTube account password will be changed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.